Look what we left here. What is up, guys? It is Friday evening. I'm here at West Coast Offroader in North Vancouver. Guess what? Lex here wants to get up to Eagle Mountain and have some barbie. Eagle Mountain is just about 20 minutes away from the city, perfect for a Friday night out. It's actually my first time getting to this place. Let's go take a look. Here we are at the back of the shop. I am not sure if that shop owner Fab's new Gladiator, and he's going to flat deck it, so half trunk part of it, they might make it a overland trailer, which is going to be super cool. And then speaking of flat deck, which we have a lot in Australia, take a look at this. Bet you don't see these around very often. Taco with a flat deck. It's kind of love and hate. A lot of people don't like it, but really, you have a lot of versatility once you flat deck it without all those barriers in the rear, and then you can even mount a big canopy with all kinds of possibility. I love it. Here we have a Ruby with front runner rack. That's what I call baller racks, because they have a built-in table right on top that you can drag it out instead of picking up your space inside. A quick fuel stop, the group meet up at the base of Eagle Mountain. Cypress Lake FSR, as known as Eagle Mountain Trail, used to be a tactical trail for wheelers. In 2018, government ministry made some decisions on the Eagle Mountain road system. After construction, most of the four-wheel drive obstacles were filled in, including the gatekeeper. After extensive discussion and negotiation by the Four-Wheel Drive Association, the contractor agreed to build a few obstacles after completing road work. So we were lucky enough not to be left with a simple decommissioned flat road. In efforts to maintain the roadwork, District Recreation Office requests limited access to Eagle Mountain Trail, which meant starting in 2019, no new key will be issued until further notice. As a result, only a handful of wheelers have access to this trail so close to home. After the roadwork, we are left with 3 mini rock garden obstacles, each with a bypass. This is the first one. I was not expecting him to go this line. I was trying to film him going that lane, but look what we left here. A short distance later, we got to the second one. The group decided to give it a try. That one is the third rock garden. We have 3 in total.
big man, small chair. You know? Actually, medium sized man.
It's a whole lot of ass.
Right?